Well, hi everyone. It's me again. Welcome back, I guess. I'm Cole, if you don't know. Still here, still got it. Today we're doing this. So, yeah. If you want to watch me do this, then keep on watching, I guess. Or if you don't want to, I don't know, go watch like a Red Bull commercial. Cause, I don't know. Yeah, let's get started, I guess. Okay, this is fun. Bye. Thanks. Okay. Bye. I'm going. Let's start. Okay. Okay. Hi, it's me again. We're back. We're in a robe. The look we're doing today entails the ability of myself to take off the article of clothing underneath so I can not mess up my face. This is Martini, if you're unfamiliar with her. She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Come on now. That's a Wendy Williams reference. Thanks. I lost my voice, but I don't sound as disgusting. I just sound like, I don't know. We have our cherry Coke with a straw. So fun. We moved locations. We are in this space. We got some you can only see two because I checked before I started recording. You can only see Madonna's Like a Prayer and Janelle Monáe Dirty Computer. But we have more. If you would like me to do a vinyl tour, comment below. I think that's what you're supposed to do. There's also, back to the albums, we have Rosalia's Motomami. I rotate the albums that sit up there. Oh my god. We also have FKA Twigs Melissa. It's an underrated EP. Anyways, let's get started, Tina. You know when this comes on, you know it's about to get serious. I'm gonna glue down my brows. So, see you in a bit. Bye. Give me a second, please. We're back. The brows are on. Well, they're actually off right now. So to do that, we just used our Classical Emmers glue stick to glue down the brows. We used the Fenty Beauty, the powder is out. With the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in butter. We used the Dragon Beauty color corrector in the shade, I don't know. The Dragonfire color corrector in orange, I guess this is what it's called. I have a lot of brow hair and my brows are very long. I have to glue down like really high because when you glue them down flat, they just glue down like super flat. So the brow hair kind of goes a little bit up and I have a lot of brow hair. And it grows really far into the center of my eye or towards the center, so I just glue down all of it so it's just smooth. Anyways, we did that. I want to be very dewy and glowy. So we're gonna go in with the, I haven't used this in so long. This is the MAC Strobe Cream. I don't even know if they still make that. I think they still do. This is the silver one. I don't even know if they still make this. But I remember when this was like a huge thing. Oh my god, please move. This used to be like a big bitch. Like I remember everyone like in like 2016 or 17, I think. I just remember it being a thing. So we're just gonna, just like, oh my god, I forgot how shiny this is, man. Jesus Christ. Also, I don't know where my kimchi chic mirror went. So I'm just using this little shadow palette. Now, I got this, I know I'm like a month late since it came out, but the Makeup by Mario foundation, I got it when it came out, but I was in Korea. Oh yeah, backstory. It's been like a month since I uploaded. I was just up in Korea with my darling dear sister from another family origin, Haley. Hi Haley if you're watching. So this is the Makeup by Mario foundation. This one, I know every single person on this earth has been talking about this foundation. So I got the shade 6W. This is the SurrealSkin foundation. Hopefully it matches. If it doesn't, then we're just gonna all pretend it does because I can't go buy another one. I also got the brush. I got the Makeup by Mario I think it's the, I think it's the W4 or something. I don't really like doing foundation with a brush. I prefer a damn beauty sponge. This is one from Beauty Bakery, and they also have the one from Beauty Blender themselves. But let's just do it. Let's just try it out, because I guess we'll also make this like a makeup, like, we'll try out new makeup and we'll just do what I normally do. Okay, let's go in with the Pat McGrath concealer. This is the shade L5. I used this in the last video. That concealer's laid down. Let's go in with the, like, the color corrector on it too. With the R.E.M. Beauty concealer. This is the Sweetener concealer in Fair 1. This is the white. It's a stark, stark white. And now we're dealing with this Fenty Beauty Butter again. Set those under eyes. Let's go in contour. This is the Makeup Forever little contour palette. I just have 3 different shades I can't remember what they're called. We're gonna take this Morphe E4 brush, rest in peace Morphe stores. You know, I was gonna literally start working at Morphe and then they closed. So, well, that's contoured. I wanna go in with taking a little Dragon Beauty. Oh! That's not something. No. We're gonna do some baking. Let's do some blush. We're going with this Pat McGrath Skin Finish Divine Blush in Electric Bloom, as I do. We're gonna take the Kevin Aquan blush brush. We're gonna, anyways, just take it like right up there. We can go with a Aviation Novo palette. Let's take a little, this is the Morphe M433, again, rest in peace. Let's go with the shade Fleur. Now let's take this little Morphe M441, go with the shade Metro. Go back in with that Morphe M433. Back in with, let's go in with Metro and just kind of like going right over here. Now that's placed, I want to go in with the Juvia's palette called the Deuce. They have these stunning colors, which these are huge. First of all, these pan sizes, you're kidding me. Go with the shade with the Morphe M441. Let's go with the shade Cream. Also, if you want a good, like an extremely affordable palette that has like insane payoff, these palettes, if you go with the shade like right here, Puffs, first of all, stunning. And like the pigment is insane. So shout out to the Juvia's place. I just want to take this kind of like more like right here. This up towards the brow, like up here. Now we're gonna go with the shade Crepes with the same brush. Let's go like a little bit like here, a little bit above in the center of that brow. I'm gonna take a little bit of that same shade, like a little bit like right here. I'm gonna take this little Morphe brush, I don't even know which one this is. Take a little bit of that Crepes shade again. Take this like right here on the outer corner. Now I want to go in for a little shimmer moment. What was this Fenty Beauty? This is the Diamond Bomb Triple Drip All Over Diamond Veil palette. So for a base, before we put that on, we're gonna use this. This is the One Size Beauty Everything and More. I think this is the shade. This is the Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow Eye Popper in the shade Everything and More. Take my finger and just kind of mute it a little bit. Now that that's there, just for a little something, we're gonna go back in with the Fenty Beauty, this thing. And then with my finger, we're going with this little pink shade called Fussy, like the gloss. I'm gonna take that. It's like wet. Now for liner, let's take the one size Point Made Bodacious black liner. Let's take this on the eye. Then now we're gonna take this, draw it out. Now we're gonna go like right here. A little flat line. Connect that to the... This gives me anxiety. Let's just connect the bottom little thing. So let's take this little spot right here. Let's create the natural progression. Now that the base of the liner is done, and with that we're gonna take our little Suva Beauty Acid Rain brush. Dipping that in the water. Taking it in this, just getting it all wet. Yeah. We're taking that, and now we're just gonna fill in that black. For this little top little black, clean this up a little bit. Make this little circular shape. Now let's walk by this bake that we have on right here. So it's like the Makeup by Mario F2. Let's go right in there. Look how bright the under eye is. Ugh. Now let's make that even more bright, because why not, right? So this is the Dragon Beauty brightening powders. I don't know if Dragon Beauty stopped production or something, but this brightening powder is so good. So we take the other side of this brush and we'll go in with a little bit of the pink and the yellow. It's gonna be mixing the two. We're just gonna pack it like right in there. Just for my nose highlighter, the Pat McGrath Mothership 6, I think is what it is. I still can't remember what Mothership palette this is. We're gonna take this little brush. This is the Morphe M432. This little shade right here called, I don't know. It's that one. This little one right there. This is so insanely bright. We're gonna take the Kimchi Chic Beauty Liner in the shade Curry Up. For lips, we're gonna go with the Hermes Beauty Rouge Hermes shade in Rose Boise? I don't know. And then right on top of that, we're gonna go in with the, oh my Jesus. This is the Kimchi Chic Beauty Mattely Poppin' Liquid Lipstick in the shade Exposed. We're gonna put that right on top of that. Just go right in the center. Okay, I'm gonna go throw on some mascara and some lashes. We'll be right back. Okay, so we got the mascara on, we got the lashes on. For mascara, we just did Where to Go. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Fetishized Mascara. It's great, just in black. It's cute, doesn't really matter because they throw on these huge lashes anyways. These are from Lash Core. They're the same ones I used in the last video. Yeah, but this is the fun look at the face. So now let's put on some setting spray. So for setting spray, we're gonna use the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. It's like, okay, Martini, I don't want this in your face. Okay, a little more. Okay. Now let's go get the full look on, and I'll be right back. And here we are. You know, just a casual little, no, this is, you know, we're going to go to the grocery store. I have a pajama pants on, we're just gonna ignore it. Casual look for the grocery store, for McDonald's, for the drive-thru. Super casual. It's what I do. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you still are watching, if you left, that was really rude, but it's okay, I understand. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new, hey, thanks. If you're not new, welcome back. It was so good to see you. This was really fun to do. I haven't painted in a little bit since I've been gone, but yeah, this was super fun to do, and subscribe and like and do all that stuff. And yeah, great, love set, bye, mwah.